Hey gang, Anthony Radzikavich here, and I just wanted to talk about something that came up 6 days ago. It has to do with open source, closed source, and computer security. Now, a lot of people have claimed that open source technologies are inherently insecure because the code is open source. It's openly available to view, modify, add to, change, redistribute, following the now, I believe, 10 rules of the open source definition. Now, what happened 6 days ago, again, February 20th of 2016, is that the Linux Mint website was hacked, and the ISOs that they had there for download were replaced with backdoored operating system downloads. So the malicious actors in this whole process took the original ISO, looked at the source code, added in their own backdoors, and then replaced the ISOs in the website so that anybody who downloaded Linux Mint on February 20th of 2016 could potentially have gotten that backdoored operating system. Now, stop that. There we go. Now, a lot of people would say, well, Linux Mint got hacked. Yeah, of course. That shows that it is insecure. That proves that open source technologies are insecure. And it just further supports the idea that if the code is openly available to the public and anybody has the right to add, change, redistribute it under the same terms of what you got it, so on and so forth, use it, obviously, then how is that secure? It's so susceptible to a lot of malicious attackers. Well, here's the deal. An open source community actually monitors what's going on with their product lines. Now, February 20th, 2016, right? Really bad thing that happened. I'm not going to deny the fact that, yes, this whole hacking process is a breach of security. It is. However, let's look at the reaction. PC World, the article that I have open, and it'll be below in the description. If you look at the timestamp here, February 21st, 2016 at 10:02 a.m. First thing in the morning, the very next day. Now, how many closed source proprietary businesses have that kind of transparency? Or rather, how many of these businesses know that a breach of security has happened in this respect? When is the community, not just the open source community, but when is the general public going to be made aware that a breach of security actually happened? For Linux Mint and the people who are working on this, less than a day. They went back, they fixed all of the issues, they replaced the ISOs, and here's another article that will be included below that shows, hey, what happened? This is transparent. But look at this timestamp, February 21st at 1:44 a.m. So we could have the open source policies for coding, right, for application development, programming. Or we could stick with the closed, secret, proprietary code and look at these two aspects side by side. One of the things about computer security is generally everyone gets hacked. So you have the certain percentage that knows they've been hacked, and then you have the remaining percentage that doesn't yet know or ignores it. Well, the transparency in the open source community and the fact that they are able to monitor, modify, and fix these issues led to open communication and led to a very quick response. I think that's a very, very cool community to be a part of. That's what I wanted to share. Thank you for joining me on the Linux Corner. We'll see you next time.